Now let me go on to show you how to find the median when you are encountering grouped data. Now this is very important, and for this you need to get this formula. So median is equal to L plus, the formula looks a little bit confusing, don't worry, I'll explain it to you, CFP divided by FMED. I'll explain to you what the MED stands for. So this entire thing has to be product multiplied with W, and let me name or let me explain these things. N is nothing but total frequency. Total frequencies. Now L is the lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of, I'm writing it as MC, median class. I'll explain to you when we see the question. CFP, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. And W is the width of the median class, and FMED, I got one more thing, FMED is the frequency of the median class. Now this is quite a sum, and the best way to understand this is via an example. Okay, so this is the requirement. We are expected to find the median of the grouped data. And this is the data given. The following is the data of student performance in math test. So this is the class interval. This is the frequency, and we have been given the following. So between 20 to 30 we have got 6 students. Between 30 to 40 we have 18 students. Between 40 to 50 we have got 11 students. Between 50 to 60 we have got 11 students. Between 60 to 70 we have got 3 students, and 70 to 80 1 student has scored. So this is the frequency. Now to get the median for the group data, foremost what you need to do is you need to calculate the cumulative frequency. So you start with 6, add 6 with 18, you get 24, and then you add this 24 to 11, you get 35, add this 35 to 11, you get 46, add 46 to 3, you get 49, add 49 to 1, you get 50. So this is how it goes, right? Add it like this, then you get this, then you added this, then you get this, then you add this, then you get this, add this, you get this, add this, then you get this. So that's the way you calculate cumulative frequency. Now next what you need to do, you need to add up all these frequencies. So that will give you 50. Now what you need to do first and foremost, you need to find the median class. So for that, to get the median class, you divide 50 by 2, you get 25. Now go up to the cumulative frequency and look where exactly you can locate this value 25. Now this is 6, this is 24. Now 25 is located over here. It's not located here, it's located here, because 24 ends here and 25 will begin over here. So this is our median class. Now according to the formula, let me write the formula down. The median is L positive n divided by 2 negative CFP divided by FMED, and this is multiplied with W. Now foremost, L is the lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of median class. So what is the median class? 40 to 50. And what is the lower limit here? 40 is the lower limit. So L is obtained to be as 40. Now we have already got N, which is 50. Now we need to know CFP. Now what is CFP? CFP is the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding, that's a very important word, preceding the median class. So which is the median class here? This is the median class. And what is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class? 24. So this is going to be 24. Place that. We've got L, we've got N, we've got CFP. W is the width. So between 40 to 50, what is the width? Between 20 to 30, what is the width? Between 30 to 40, what is the width? It's always 10. That's it. Write that down. So you got L, you got N, you got CFP, you got W, and FMED. What is FMED? That is the frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class. So what is the frequency of the median class? The frequency of this is the median class. The frequency is 11. Now what you need to do, substitute all of these values. So L is 40, N is 50, CFP is 24, the width is 10. You divide by the frequency of the median class, 11. So use the calculator, evaluate all of this, and you get a value of 40.909. So this is the median of the grouped data.